It's a best practice that soon after a system is sold and an initial design is made to create an activation. This is what Enphase uses to record essential information about a site and will be the basis to develop the site from the installation, commissioning, and finally to the owner handoff. In this lesson, we will review activations. This is the process of creating a new site within the Enphase Enlighten platform. There's several ways to start a new activation. Click on the Systems tab up in the navigation bar. Now select the Activations tab. Then click on Add a new system. Also from the dashboard view, there's a shortcut located here. As before, click on the Add New System button. Fill in all of the required fields. This includes a system name, system type, PV installer, owner, address. Moving down the activation page, under the Envoy heading, you can select the grid profile now or do this later at the installation site via the Installer Toolkit app. Next, specify the PV system equipment, the number of microinverters, solar panel brand and model, microinverter mounting method, and basic racking details. If you'd like, you can upload an installation map detail here. This can help when it's time to build the array and assign equipment. It can also be useful for future service needs. And the last section of the activations page. Under production estimate, you can decide if the system compares production estimates based on the total system output or based on output for each solar array section. You can also adjust the expected annual degradation here. Note that you will enter the actual production estimates later in the Site Settings page. System access allows another company or contractor to access this activation. This is typical if a subcontractor is building or commissioning a system for you. Once you confirm and save, your activation is complete. Here is the activation page stating that the activation was saved successfully. The next step would be to link an Enphase Envoy to this activation. Provision and install all of the equipment at this site. Once the system is operational and the Envoy has successfully connected to the Enlighten cloud, it's just a matter of passing inspections and getting permission to operate. Then the system is automatically handed off to the system owner and you are done. It's a best practice to create activations from a computer via Enlighten Manager, as it's faster. However, should your crew need to create an activation from the job site, it is possible. Simply launch the Enphase Installer Toolkit app and log in. From the Systems view, click on the orange plus symbol. Here's what you'll see next. Tap on the first section called System Details. Fill in the required text and press Save afterwards. This is another way to create a new Enphase activation from the job site.